In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Lens Island resolution. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily change Lens Island resolution at any point during gameplay. You can do it as you are inside of a world or afterwards. And all that you have to do is first load up Lens Island and pause the game, or from the main menu, go over to the settings. When you access the settings, you should immediately be able to find the resolution options under display. So there will be three main categories: graphics and display, audio, and then controls and accessibility. All that you have to do, as you might expect, is to make sure that you are in the default tab graphics and display, and then under display you will find resolution. Immediately upon clicking this option, you should see all of the resolutions natively supported by your monitor and the game, with the most popular ones included, such as 1080p, 1440p, or even 720p if you want to use a lower resolution to get more FPS. So this can be entirely done inside of the game. So change the resolution from here first, make sure to apply and see if it works. You will be able to revert the changes if for whatever reason the resolution seems broken. Now, if you are having trouble changing the resolution inside of the game itself, there are some other things that you can do, such as going over to the AMD Control Center or the NVIDIA Control Center and changing the resolution or the display settings specifically for Lens Island from there. But these methods should not be necessary. As long as you properly choose the resolution inside of the game, when you pause and go over to the settings or from the main menu, you will be good to go to change the resolution and the graphics for Lens Island. If you need to lower the resolution, make sure to also lower the graphics, that way you can get better performance. But if you have a high-end PC, it is recommended to go with the highest native resolution supported by your monitor. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Lens Island resolution. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.